So I'm letting Bo Daisy have some freedom near the window. Got the windowsill opened out towards the backyard and letting her just sit here on top of the chair and catch the breeze. When the wind picks up, it just blows through her feathers, and she seems to be enjoying it. Usually all the blinds are closed and she doesn't really get a chance to look outside, so she seems to be having fun. She's still kind of like a baby. My sister Christy, whenever she comes home, Bo Daisy, the bird, will start like whining like it's a baby bird, like meow meow, and it kind of makes a meow sound like a cat, which is kind of funny. So it's just, there goes the wind a little. It's just so precious because it's like a little baby, even though it's a few months old. And it's kind of big, so it's a fairly good sized bird. But it's lonely, it needs a companion. We just don't have the money right now. You gotta find a free one and find one that's gentle like you. Let's see. He's like, forget that, I like it here. So, looks like she enjoys being in front of the window. Fly into the wilderness where you belong. Turn the light on. Who's our birdie? Who is a pretty bird? So, that's Bo Daisy, our pet bird. So adorable.